Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best tiny camera is probably one of the most versatile and discreet gadgets you can get your hands on today, offering unparalleled surveillance capabilities in a package so small it can be hidden almost anywhere, making it perfect for home security, personal safety, or even capturing unique perspectives you wouldn't normally be able to achieve with a standard camera. And in this video, we're diving deep into what makes these miniature marvels tick and helping you find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Aleanu Hidden Camera Detector 2025. Introducing the Aleanu Hidden Camera Detector 2025, your personal safeguard against hidden threats. It's designed to give you peace of mind wherever you go. This device features a 4-in-1 design, combining RF signal detection, camera lens finding, magnetic field detection, and a flashlight. It efficiently spots transmitting cameras, GPS trackers, and other hidden devices. Experience unparalleled detection with its wide frequency range, from 1 MHz to 6.5 GHz. It can detect various signals, including 2G, 3G, and 4G mobile signals, ensuring no potential threats are missed. Utilizing advanced passive infrared scanning, it effectively safeguards your privacy by detecting devices like GPS trackers and cameras. Prevent privacy leaks and stay secure. Equipped with upgraded ultra-sensitive chips and 6 levels of adjustable sensitivity, it accurately locates signal sources within a 30 square meters area. Find hidden devices quickly and precisely. This lightweight, pen-sized device is incredibly portable and made from high-quality PC material. Its rechargeable battery offers 25 hours of use on a single charge, perfect for travel or daily use. What we like. This device offers comprehensive protection with its 4-in-1 functionality, covering RF signals, camera lenses, magnetic fields, and even acting as a flashlight. If you are frequently traveling or staying in unfamiliar places and need a robust, all-around privacy shield, this is an excellent choice. Its compact size makes it perfect for carrying in your pocket. What people say. It's very easy to use, lightweight, and compact, so it fits perfectly in my suitcase. The antenna and different sensitivity levels allow it to quickly detect any suspicious signals. This isn't just a camera finder. It also has a magnetic field setting for spotting GPS trackers and an RF mode to pick up wireless signals, so it feels like you're getting a lot of tools in one. I'm impressed with this hidden camera detector's performance. It's compact, user-friendly, and effective in detecting hidden cameras, GPS trackers, and audio bugs. With its advanced technology and adjustable sensitivity levels, I feel more secure and confident in protecting my privacy. Number 4. AZDOME M200 Mini Dash Cam. Introducing the AZDOME M200, a compact and reliable dash cam designed for your everyday protection. It offers dependable full HD resolution and broad road coverage. Experience sharp, detailed driving footage with its advanced single-channel recording. Its wide viewing angle ensures you capture everything on the road ahead. With built-in Wi-Fi, connecting to its companion app is effortless. This allows for quick and convenient access to your recorded files anytime, anywhere. This device goes beyond driving, offering advanced parking modes. It includes night vision, collision detection, and emergency video locking for added security. AZDOME is a leader in automotive technology, empowering you to take control on the road. Drive with peace of mind knowing you're protected. What we like. This dash cam provides crisp, detailed driving footage with a wide viewing angle for excellent road coverage. If you're looking for a reliable front-facing camera to protect yourself on the road and want easy access to your footage via an app, this is a great option. Its parking monitor feature adds an extra layer of security when your vehicle is unattended. What people say. Controlling the cam via the app also couldn't be easier. Everything is intuitive. You can record, change settings, etc. Video quality appears to be excellent. It records super clear video both day and night, making it perfect for capturing important details like license plates. The wide-angle lens covers a large area, and the compact design doesn't block your view. The 1080p recordings are clear, without motion blur. Each minute of video is about 94.4 megabytes. With a 32 GB microSD card, I'm getting over 5 hours of video storage, but when I swapped in a 256 GB card, everything worked perfectly, and I can record for even longer. With the app you can download the video to your phone and adjust settings. The dashcam connects using Wi-Fi. Number 3. Hidden Camera and Bug Detector, Medium. Protect your privacy wherever you go with this ultimate hidden device detector. It scans for hidden cameras, listening devices, bugs, and GPS trackers, giving you peace of mind in seconds. This device offers more than just hidden threat detection. It also includes an anti-theft alarm and a flashlight, providing security and illumination when you need it most. Powered by advanced chips, it precisely pinpoints even the most hidden threats. Its wide range ensures no hidden bugs or trackers go unnoticed, simplifying professional-grade technology for everyday use. With a clear display and intuitive controls, it offers sound and vibration feedback. It's simple enough for first-time users yet powerful enough for professionals, making privacy protection effortless. This detector is compact and perfect for travel, easily fitting into your pocket or bag. A single charge provides up to 45 hours of uninterrupted protection for peace of mind on the go. What we like. This detector is designed to find even the most hidden threats, including cameras, listening devices, and GPS trackers, with professional-grade technology simplified for everyday use. If your priority is absolute privacy in places like hotels, airrooms, or offices, and you want an easy-to-use device with both sound and vibration feedback, this is the one for you. It also doubles as an anti-theft alarm for added security. What people say. This device is a top pick for detecting hidden cameras and bugs, offering professional-grade detection technology with a user-friendly design. This little device is incredibly powerful. I travel often and stay in rentals, so having this hidden camera and bug detector gives me real peace of mind. It's super easy to use, quickly scans for hidden cameras, GPS trackers, and bugs. The display is clear, and the sensitivity settings are helpful. It's a great size, easy to use, definitely a new addition for my summer trips. Number 2. Funstorm 4K Wi-Fi Mini Spy Camera. Experience unparalleled clarity with our upgraded 4K resolution. It captures every detail, even in complete darkness, ensuring you never miss a moment. Tired of frequent charging? This device boasts an incredible 100-day battery life on a single charge. Enjoy extended peace of mind without the hassle. Monitor your home or office from anywhere with our intuitive mobile app. Get real-time updates and see what's happening, no matter where you are. Receive instant alerts on your phone when motion is detected. It accurately identifies activity, from pets playing to potential intrusions, keeping you informed. Choose how you store your footage with options for both cloud and local SD card storage. Review past events easily whenever you need to. We're here for you with 24/7 online customer service. Get expert technical solutions and support whenever you need it. What we like. This tiny camera boasts an incredible 100-day battery life, meaning you won't have to worry about frequent charging. If you need a discreet security camera for monitoring a location over an extended period without constant maintenance, this is ideal. Its 4K resolution and clear night vision ensure you capture high-quality video footage day or night. What people say. The battery life is amazing, the picture quality, color and night vision is amazing, and it detects every motion in my basement. It's small and easy to set up. You can zoom in and out, and the best part is you can also use a SD card. This wireless security camera is so user-friendly and easy to set up. I had it up and running in 5 minutes. The picture is clear and has features I really didn't need but are there if I need them. Even has clarity at night. The camera has a very wide and clear view. Easy to zoom. Works well in dark spaces. Number 1. 64GB Small Nanny Cam Security Camera. This device comes with 64GB of internal memory, ready to use right out of the box. It also supports expandable storage up to 128GB. Record only when movement is detected with its intelligent motion sensing feature. This helps conserve valuable storage space. Capture every moment in stunning 1080p HD clarity. You won't miss any important details with this high-definition camera. Inside the box, you'll find the camera, charging cable, replacement refills, a card reader, a 64GB SD card, and an instruction manual. We offer a 1-year replacement warranty and lifetime technical support for your peace of mind. Contact us anytime with questions. What we like. This camera comes with a built-in 64GB memory card, so it's ready to use right out of the box, saving you the hassle of purchasing one separately. If you need a simple, straightforward security camera that starts recording only when motion is detected to save storage space, this is a practical choice. Its 1080p HD resolution ensures clear video capture for important moments. What people say. The 1080p video quality is quite good, capturing clear images with good detail. The motion detection feature is excellent, as it starts recording automatically when it detects activity, saving memory space. It comes with 64GB of storage already included, so it's ready to use right out of the box. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.